Hey guys, welcome to my video today. So today I have this awesome junk journal by Yellow Paper House, and I have a plastic coil in it, and I want to switch it out to this metal coil. So I thought I would do it on video in case any of you guys want to switch out a coil and you don't know how to do it. So let's do this together. So the first thing I want to do is I got my pliers here, and I'm going to bend this part of this plastic coil so that it looks like the rest of them, so that the little bend in it is gone. Now I'm just gonna uncoil it. Oh, before we do this, I have these rubber bands here, and I'm going to put the rubber bands around my book, keep all of my pages together, so my pages don't go all rogue on me when I want to put the second coil on. So I'm just gonna put a few of these on here and hopefully get it nice and steady like that. All right, that feels better. I'm gonna put one more on, just right at the edge here. Really wanna make sure that I don't mess up my book, because I love this book and I wanna make sure that I can do this right. So I'm just gonna pull this little top one out a little bit so it's out of the way of the cover. And these are really actually soft to turn, so I can just do that. And this one, we want it to be the same sort of circular, the same as the other coils. So it matches up so it's easy to take it out. So now I'm just gonna take it out and hope for the best. I'm a little nervous doing this because I really don't want to mess up my book. I thought there might be a way to do it where I could start the coil and remove the other coil at the same time so I could feel safer, but I don't think there's a way I can do that. Just sort of have to do one and then the other and just kind of hope for the best. So what I'm looking for is for these holes to stay exactly in the same position so they don't move, so that I can get the metal coil through it when it comes time to put that through. So I'm just gonna uncoil this and then we'll be back when I'm gonna put on the metal coil. So as you can see, I've been working on this coil off of my table, and I think this is going to be the easiest way for me to successfully put the new coil on. So I don't have to worry about the table getting in my way. I can just do it with space over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let us pray. So I'm looking for light so I can see light through these holes. So I'm looking at that through my lamp, and I can see light through the holes right now, so I think I'm in good shape. I think the hardest thing is going to be starting the coil, so wish me luck. That helps. Okay, all we gotta do now is finish the job. I'm going to bend this coil in halfway. I am a novice at this. I've never done this before. Just thought I might as well show you guys how I'm doing it. And then if I make mistakes, then you can learn from them and not make the same ones. So now I have this coil I'm gonna cut, but I'm gonna cut it on the opposite side. So I'm gonna turn this like that, and I'm gonna snip it right there. Oh man, that's hard. Oh, there we go, yes. All right, awesome. I'm so glad that I was able to do this all by myself. When I got the coil, I wasn't really sure how to do it. I was like, I like the idea of changing it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Kristin from Yellow Paper House was kind enough to ask me if I wanted one. I love the idea of having a metal one instead of the plastic. I like the plastic, but it does capture all the lovely paint from my pages. So this one I'll be able to wash off, which is kind of fun. Be a little cleaner, more shiny, and hold my pages with more strength. So that's great. So now I can just take off my rubber bands. I'm so excited to see what it looks like inside when I go to a page. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. That is awesome, huh? Looks good. I love it. Oh, that is cool. Yeah, that looks great. All right. Let me know if you have one of these junk journals because I'm loving this. And check out my 100-day project on Instagram if you like what you see here. Hope this was helpful for you today, and thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys real soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.